Hello, my name is Crazy Eddie, and I'm here to show you a way to make a buck. Well, I've been here in my bedroom engineering a moneymaker. With this device, you can manufacture your own money. Think about it now. A machine that can pay for itself. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of this and make myself $5 in the process. First, you take this plain piece of paper, plain, obviously plain, and you go 1, 2, well, excuse me. First, I have to ink the machine. Okay, you go 1, 2, 3, whammo! And then all of a sudden, you have $5. Crisp, clean, $5. You can spend this at any store you like to. They wouldn't know the difference. And so take it from me, Crazy Eddie. You can't live without this machine. Well, you could live, but it sure wouldn't be as fun, would it? I'll let you in on a little secret here. You can get this machine not for $50, not for $40, and not for $30. For a limited time offer only. I'm gonna get this to you for $20. $20! Machine that'll pay for itself. And to get this kind of money and this kind of machine, meet me behind the blacksmith shop on East Pennsylvania Street.